Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility and immediate prerequisites. This avoids wasted troubleshooting. First, verify both devices speak the same protocol, AirPlay, Miracast, or Chromecast, because mismatches cause black screens. Then, make sure they share the same Wi-Fi band. For high-resolution video, use 5 GHz to reduce interference. Once done, restart the sender, receiver, and router. Closing competing streaming apps prevents display conflicts. You are now ready to move into connection verification and settings adjustments. Don't skip these steps. Now you dig into the middle steps to clear the black screen. On the sender device, stop and restart the mirroring session, explicitly choose the receiver's name, and toggle mirroring off and on to force negotiation. Meanwhile, check the receiver's input and disable power saving or sleep modes, because these can block the video stream. Update firmware if available. Also, manually set the sender's resolution and frame rate to match the receiver, for example, 1080p at 30 frames per second, to prevent out-of-range video modes. Finish by confirming the path is stable and by ruling out hardware faults. Try a wired fallback, an HDMI adapter or Ethernet connection, to determine whether Wi-Fi is the culprit. This often reveals whether the problem is networking versus display. If nothing else works, perform a factory reboot of the receiver, but only after backing up settings and keeping your network credentials ready. If the black screen remains, test with another sender or another receiver to isolate a faulty device. This one test usually reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.